Where are the beans? Here with me today, I have the ingredients for what's called corn salad, which seemed pretty interesting. I wanted to try it out. The way you're supposed to make this is use whole ears of corn and then grill them so that they're nice and crispy. The problem is, I don't have a grill. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these canned corn, and I'm going to prepare it similar to that other side that I showed of frying it in the pan. So for my ingredients here, I have some of the leftover red onions from the last recipe, and also some of the cilantro from the last recipe too, since this uses some of the same things, so it works out. So the only thing I really have to do is kind of dice up the avocado, so that's ready. How do you tell if an avocado is ripe? Trick question, you don't. Do you all eat your avocados with or without the peel? How exactly do you peel an avocado? Avocados are dumb. You can never tell when they're actually ripe because they'll just turn into mush when you try to cut them open. But as far as cutting stuff up goes, these are done, so I'm going to put them into the fridge so they can get a little more firm because they're kind of squishy right now. So let me just do that. Of course, we start off here with our little cube of butter that we have. This is 4 tablespoons according to the measurements on here. I'm just kind of guessing how much butter you need. I don't really know. I'm totally ignoring the actual recipe ratios on this one. Because how do you measure out how much corn 3 ears of corn is? So I got my corn drained. We're just gonna throw this right in. That's a lot of corn. I also have the onions. I'm going to throw those in too. You don't have to if you'd rather have them stay bitey. I thought I could throw them in to kind of tame them a little. That way they can get maybe a bit of caramelization, I don't know. And from here we just kind of stir them until they're crispy enough to our liking, just like the last one. I did forget one last thing. I wanted to put these jalapenos in too. That way it'll tame these a little. Now we just kind of cook it. We do the thing, yeah. I think that's pretty good. So now we need to add in our salt and pepper. I'm only going to put in a little bit of salt because the butter already had salt in it, so I don't really need to add it. The cilantro, I'm just kind of guessing. Whatever seems to be a good amount. We also add our lime in. Lastly, we just need to stir in our avocado gently because it'll get mush if we stir too hard, so I will get that. And lime should prevent it from turning brown, but I guess I'll find out. My spoon go. Kind of mix this in, and then we're good. Here's our final product. You can even finish it off by topping it with cheese if you want. But you don't have to, but I love cheese, so of course I'm gonna do that. And I'm excited to try this out, so feel free to try it if you want. Thanks for watching.